Hello YouTube, it's me again. Check out this happy little specimen I picked up. Looked on the Facebook Marketplace and I found me another grinder. I noticed it because every time I see these things that have nice covers and are really thick around here, people don't put bars in like this. This is a little bit worn out. It's a 6-inch Wolf grinder. It appears like most things on the internet, nobody knows how to clean. And I didn't pay much for it. It was practically, giveaway. But doesn't anybody look, it's 5 seconds later, take a little cleaner, degreaser, and mind you, I'm not using degreaser, but it already looks a hell of a lot better. I'm just using a baby wipe. Clean this up, but it's a nice toy. It still works. Let me plug it in here. Let me turn it off first here. On, off. There we go. Give it a test here. Come on, plug it in. Oh. It appears we have a switch problem, but doesn't wobble that much. It's quite the 10 minutes later, when it's all nice and quiet. Yeah, I didn't pay too much. Got it cheap. I'm gonna clean it off. Probably when I get time, I will take it apart. Probably have to take the switch apart because it looks like the switch has got a little bit of a problem. And see what happens. Looks like the switch is broken. And it looks like somebody took it apart previously, but it's funny, you buy all these old tools and, I always tell people, cleaning some dirt off some of these old tools might fetch you about $5 more. Looks like it's well clean, looks like it's all working great. Dude said he sold the grinder because he doesn't use it anymore. I have a feeling he sold it because the, switch is busted. But apparently they still make these grinders in India, I think. So I'm guessing, plus the other thing is one of these little things is busted. The little shelves here. But I looked online and apparently this little piece I'm taking off here, which probably won't come loose for whatever reason whatsoever. It's probably fused on there permanently. I don't know. It doesn't seem to want to come out. Anyway, let's see. Anyway, it won't come out. But yeah, it's a nice grinder.